Hey guys, it's me Jenna, and today I am literally playing with my slime. And while I'm playing with my slime, I need to I'm sorry guys. Key, stay. I just need to do something. Okay. I'm ready. This is a start. I'm not using my iPad. I'm not using a phone I'm not using a phone or a tablet or something like that. I'm using one of the iPad and I put it. Was it? No. So because I'm not going live now, it's not live. I'm just like look at this. And today when I opened up my sun for this video, I opened it, right? Like 5 minutes ago, I opened it. And 5 minutes before that, so like 10 minutes ago, it was just like I just put it back in the container, right? And then 5 minutes later, I opened it and it was like crunchy with foam beads and iceberg slime mixed all together on the top. That's how bubbly it was. So guys, yeah. And so today I'm going to teach you how to make your slime bigger. So first step, if your slime is sticky, you can add some Tide. So you're adding some Tide, run a little sticky. See, look how big that bubble was. It's popped right away. So then, as you can hear, and this slime was made from one small. I'll show you how big the potato was. Okay, it was like this big of a container. It was like half filled, and it makes such a small slime. It was like this small, right? And then I made it this big. Now first it was up to this big, then I made it bigger, so it didn't fit in a container, right? And since last Sunday was my friend's birthday, so she wanted fluffy and glossy stuff. I made it fluffy, and ice cream is glossies. Last year I didn't really have the right ingredients for it because I needed baby oil, and I couldn't find it, so and I made her clean. So I have this, and I gave half of it. And I gave half of it to her. So, see how big the slime is? So, you add some Tide if it's sticky, obviously, and then it's sitting out. Okay, and then you flatten it out. You get some just a tiny bit of salt, just sprinkle that around here. Just not too much. If you put too much, it's going to melt. So far, so good. The salt just makes it stickier. Not really tiny. If you add a pinch, it's going to make it this much bigger. It's going to make it this much stickier. Look at this! It's so good. Oh my god! I need a guy's like stop. Literally stop on the table because then if I can start fall. So I'm sitting down now. Even though I don't want to like sitting down and playing the slime, it just feels weird. But how big see how jiggly this is. I know how to make jiggly water. I added water to last night, so I'm going to judge. over the laptop and you poke it. I hate doing it. I love it with videos like that. I hate looking at YouTube videos of people poking like this. With like a gallon of blue soap. And they poke with what fingers? A gallon of blue soap. And they're like, bro, you have the opportunity to use both of your 4 fingers. And even the 5. I don't know why kids are called. But it's just like so annoying. It's like the wrong word to use it. It's like they're not slide experts. But when you do, they're so experts. And then the people who don't have slime and they put it to others, they're so experts. Just like me, I got this is the only slime I literally have. Right? And I had in my computer. So that made it bigger. Because I have a bad slime to it. And it's gonna look really cool. So guys, I'm gonna show you a really flatten it out and smush it. If you want, you can add baby powder. That makes it butter slime and makes it also bigger and a lighter color. So I'm gonna add some baby powder. I'm gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm gonna add some baby oil. And then I'm gonna add some French beans, some palm beans, and red peppers. A little tiny bit more salt. I'll be coming back quick. How many people go to the house? I salt and I got oil. And you know how it makes this sound that going because it has like a tiny hole and there's a little hole on the bottom. So yeah, I am not going to do that. I need to use it. I'm so sorry. Please go ahead. You know what? No. Hey guys, I'm back from after. So, let's go. I will be listening right now to show you guys how soft it is. Okay, it's so stretchy. So stretchy. I was a teacher. Another one though. Crazy. What is Bulgaria? Eso me dio aquí en Morocco, eso me trae eso, me dio aquí, Morocco, Oxida, Corisita, Handel, Semetita, Sometita, Hoda, Sometita, Sometita. If you don't know what that means, you are not. Well, that's really good. Spanish, so guys, I need to go to the bathroom again. Actually, I'm not ending this video. I will continue at part 2 tomorrow. Bye, guys. See you next time. And remember to eat your pickles, kids.